Hi everyone, Natasha here. Welcome to Natasha's Healthy Living, where we are nurturing wellness naturally. And one of the ways I like to do that is by using natural, botanically based skincare and home care products from Jordan Essentials. And one of the things that I like especially is their monthly surprise box called the Joyful Jordan Box. So I have the March Joyful Jordan Box here for us to check out together. I'm up here in my office looking out on a beautiful sunny day, and I can't wait to share this with you. So stay tuned for that, and welcome to my office. Welcome back to my home. I'm so glad you're joining me today. So I have the March Joyful Jordan box here. And if you're brand new, Jordan Essentials is a bath, body, and home care company out of Nixa, Missouri. So I love that this is all made here in the US and everything is healthy, natural ingredients, so I don't have to worry about reading labels. I can just know that anything from the company is going to be wonderful for myself and my family and helps to keep things simple and healthy around our home. So the Joyful Jordan box is a little box of awesomeness. This is their monthly surprise box. You can get the box one time and just buy it and see what you think of it. It's $30 and it's going to include at least $40 in products every month. Or you can subscribe, and when you subscribe, then you save on shipping. You get free shipping each month when your box ships out. You can choose the date that you want your subscription box to come out. You can pause, restart, do whatever you need to with your subscription at any point. So I like that it's a very flexible option. And it's a great gift. This is a really nice one to gift to someone or get it for yourself as a gift. And if there's things in there that month that you're not crazy about, you can always share them with someone else. So this month, for the month of March 2025, the box comes with a cute little card. Each card will tell us a little something inspirational on one side, and the back side's going to tell us about the products. So for this month, the card says, self-care is giving the world the best of you, not what's left of you. Good skin, good mood, good day. So that's a little teaser about what's in the box this month. And then here we have all three products listed. And I can already tell you this box is valued at $48.50. So for $30, it's a really good steal on some awesome products. A couple of these are in our catalog, but we have an exclusive, this first one. And it says self-care goodness. Helio Essential Oil Magnesium Roll-On, targeted relief with our Phyto Essential blend of aloe, green tea, chamomile, and seaweed. This roll-on repairs and restores, perfect for on-the-go care. And it even tells us how to use the product. So it says roll gently onto the skin and let it absorb for soothing relief. And I love our Helio blend. It's something we have in the catalog in other forms. So we have a Helio stick, which is the beeswax stick. We have it in the Dead Sea salt soak. If you need to soak in some magnesium salts, we have that. We have it in lotions in different forms, but I have not seen it yet in this roll-on application. And what's nice about these, this is a glass bottle, and the Helio blend is an exclusive essential oil blend. So it's helichrysum, magnesium, and then that Phyto Essential blend. And I also think it has maybe wintergreen. I'm trying to read this tiny print here. Helichrysum, chamomile, aloe leaf juice extract, green tea leaf extract, seaweed, and I thought, oh, wintergreen, here it is, wintergreen leaf oil too, because it's, oh, and clove oil and peppermint oil. So it's a nice fresh blend, and the roll-on is great because this is a nice little purse size bottle to carry with you, and it's going to be in that grapeseed oil base. So those essential oils and all those phytonutrients are just in that grapeseed oil base. And I actually had a little boo-boo. I'm to the age where I don't even know what happened, but somehow I got a little scrape on my wrist here as I was getting myself set up. So I'm going to put some Helio on that too. And I love the smell of it because of those peppermint wintergreen combinations, even the helichrysum, and that essential oil blend in the grapeseed oil base is just real soft and soaks right in, and that's going to be great for deeper pain relief. I always recommend Helio. Anything Helio is great for that deeper joint pain or deeper muscle aches and pains. If you've been active and everything's hurting, this is a great one to try. So definitely pick up the box, if nothing else, for this exclusive, because this roll-on version is not in the catalog. So that's a really good one to try out. Then we have, I'll go in order of our little card here. So the Uplift Magnesium Essential Oil Stick. This is in our regular catalog, and this by itself is $18.50. So think about that. The box is $30. This alone, one product, is $18.50. Boost your mood with our waterless solid blend of magnesium infused with frankincense and sweet orange essential oils for uplifting aromatherapy and all-day energy. And again, tells us how to use it. You're going to glide the stick onto areas like wrists, neck, or shoulders to enjoy the invigorating scent and magnesium benefits. So this one, I'm going to go ahead and open this because I will use an uplift stick. So uplift stick, did I say that right? So any of our sticks are going to have this beeswax base. It's just like our lotion bars. So if you're familiar with our lotion bars, they come in a tin like this, and it's a beeswax solid form of lotion, which is amazing. I love those. But this is like a little mini version. So this again is another great little travel product because it can get thrown in your purse or your pocket, and it just glides on nice and smoothly. Beeswax melts at body temperature. So as soon as it's in contact with your skin, it starts to soften and just become real soft and creamy and soaks into the skin. Beeswax actually helps to hold your own moisture in, so it protects your skin a little bit. And then the Uplift scent is this frankincense and orange combination, which just smells so nice. It's a really pleasant blend. It's not too much of one or the other, so it's a little citrusy sweet, but then it's got that little bit of that earthy, kind of spicy frankincense smell. And yes, it's frankincense just like baby Jesus got, so that's kind of fun too. And frankincense is a really good all over beneficial essential oil. I have a video in my playlist that talks all about essential oils, so you can look up the one about orange, and there's one about frankincense as well. I believe it's either mine or my friend Sarah's. So this one is another really good one. Like I said, it is in the catalog, so if you were just thinking about checking out some of our sticks, that's a really good one to try out when you get this box. And then and the benefit of the frankincense and the orange is a good one for mood lifting. So if you're kind of having a rough time or feeling down, that can help with the just lifting your mood and just feeling a little bit better. Of course, magnesium can help with that too. So magnesium does a lot of great things for our body. It calms, it soothes, it relaxes. So there's a lot of dual benefits with a stick like this. Then the final thing we have is the Copa Calm Essential Oil Magnesium Spray. And again, this is in the catalog. I think this is $9.50. So what do we have? $18.50 and $9.50. If I'm doing my math right, I think that's $28, right? Hopefully so. I wrote it down so I wouldn't forget. Yeah, I think that's $28. So for these two products, you're almost at the $30 for the price of the box, which means that $50, I think this is $20.50 for the roll-ons. So that's like almost for free for that. So we have the Copa Calm Essential Oil Spray. And again, this has magnesium. Find your zen with copaiba, ylang ylang, sweet orange, lavender, and chamomile essential oils, plus magnesium to ease tension, reduce stress, and promote relaxation. So this is just a spray, pretty simple to use. Spray onto wrists, neck, or other areas for a calming experience. And if you have never tried any of our Copa Calm products, I love these for just overall stress, tension, anxiety. They're so good. I usually shake up the sprays a little bit just to make sure all the essential oils are blended. And I'm just going to spray a little bit in my hand so you can see. And it's that, I love the smell of this. So this is so good if you're just having one of those days. I work for a tax accountant, so we've been using a lot of Copa Calm around the office lately because it's tax season. If you just have a busy, stressful life, a lot of us do, just for like normal life, it seems stressful and hard. So these products, especially this copaiba blend, the Copa Calm blend, is really good for stress and anxiety. And it essentially, you know, it can do a lot of the same things as some other products out there without some of the side effects and other issues. So it's like a CBD alternative, but it's just a natural essential oil. So you can look up the benefits of copaiba essential oil. One of the other things I think is really cool about it is it's a renewable resource because it's just tapped from the tree, just like we tap maple syrup. So it doesn't harm the tree. They can just keep growing and making their essential oil that we use. And this is a really good one. Also, if you're, you know, if you have a student or just a kid who's anxious, this would be a good one to give them and have them try it out. And with this little 1 ounce spray, this is a great little item to throw in a backpack, to throw in your purse or your work bag, and just have that little boost of calm and stress-free breathing for a moment. Just kind of take a moment to reset and feel a little bit better with that Copacalm essential oil and magnesium spray. So all three of those products are really good. Like I mentioned, it's a great deal on the box. For $30, you're getting $48 in product. You're getting a chance to try some of our products from some of our key lines, like the magnesium and the essential oils. Plus you're getting that Helio to try out as well in a new format that's not available in the catalog. So lots of great options there. And of course, this whole month we have a lot of specials. So for the month of March, you can get our sleep stick. So this is our magnesium stick with lavender, orange, and chamomile, which is our sleep blend. This was my little sampler one, so it's almost gone. You can kind of see it in there, but this is on special for $5 this month if you spend $50. And what's really cool is we just won an award. So we won the award for the best product to come out of the Ozarks with our magnesium sleep stick. So that's why that's on special for the month of March. So if you're grabbing a Joyful Jordan box and you want to get just a couple more things, or your big bottle of magnesium lotion, and get up to that $50 total on your order, then you can grab your sleep stick for $5, which is really cool. And our host special this month, if you want to partner with me and we can do just a quick scroll and shop party by text or messenger, we can do a Facebook party. We can even set something up where I send you products and you do something in your home. There's lots of ways you can do that, but we have a host special, and I don't have the exact one here, but it comes with our rose gold soap. So this is my daughter's, that's why it's a little worse for wear. I borrowed it from her, but we have our rose gold glycerin soap, and then you'll get a little mini 2 ounce salt scrub. It'll be in rose gold, so it's not the right label. This is one of our other exclusives from a different Joyful Jordan box, but you'll get our Dead Sea Salt Scrub in that great rose gold scent as well. And then you'll also get one of our Shea Cherry lip tubes, which is a really nice little pocket lip balm in our Shea Cherry blend, which is awesome too. So that host special is good if you're looking to partner with me and we can do some collaborating and get a little party going, and that way you earn the benefits of that. I think it's $5 for the host special when your party sales get up to $500. So lots of great things going on the whole month of March, and I'll have my shopping link down in the description box below. And of course we have a join special too, and the join special is my all-time favorite. So if you decide you want to become a Jordy, just get a discount on your products, if nothing else. That's why I joined 21 years ago, was because I wanted a discount on all my good products. Then as part of my team, when you join, you get your whole rep kit. So it's $120, I think, worth of products when you sign up, and the sign up price right now is $49.50. Plus you'll get an extra bonus, which is our nail repair serum. And again, this is a phenomenal product. Works so well on my nails, keeping my skin healthy and clean on my fingers and my toes. It's great for feet, especially because that tea tree is antifungal, so that's a good one to use on your feet. So anyway, that's a bonus when you join and become a Jordy this month. So if you have questions, leave me a comment and I'll get back to you and let you know what I know. Other than that, thanks for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button down below. Stay tuned for another planner video on Saturday, and we'll be doing our 12-week declutter series on Wednesday, so you can join along with me on either of those or both. Thanks again. Have a good one, and I'll see you next time. Bye.